I'm going to show you how to place receptacles in your kitchen. Things we have to consider in the kitchen: one, they have to be GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupters, because there's water that we're working around here. And they need to be above the counters. So we have to find out how high the counter. Of course, counters are always the same height, 3 feet, unless except for under special circumstances. But the backsplash, the size of the backsplash can vary. So the backsplash could be a few inches, or it can even go up the wall for a foot or so, however you design a backsplash. But in order to do this, I'm actually going to place those receptacles in this wall right here. To do this, I'm going to draw a section view. All right, and you find that again under View, Section. And I've already got my section view, so I'm going to double click on it. And I'm going to go to Systems and Electrical Devices. And I have a single GFCI device already selected. If it's not there, then you can load it by loading the family. And some code requirements I want to consider is that I must be 12 inches, within 12 inches of this doorway here. That's where I need to place one of my receptacles. And if you look above where I'm navigating right now on the screen, you can see where there's a measurement up there telling you how far I am from the wall. So within 1 foot, so I can choose 1 foot or 11 inches, doesn't matter. Here I have a corner cabinet that actually comes all the way down to the countertop. Okay, so it fills up the whole wall there, so I can't place it over here. I have to come over here about 12 inches, and I'm just going to eyeball that. I'm not really going to measure it. Now that's going to be a lot more than 48 inches apart. That's probably about 7 feet 6 inches or so, or about 7 feet actually, about 7 feet apart. But I want to be within 48 inches of each other. I can't have more than a 48-inch span without having another receptacle. So if I just kind of cut that in half and place my receptacle on the wall right there, now I've got that covered. So I'm 4'7". Well, let's see. Okay, that's measuring all the way over here to the wall. So I am definitely within the measurements that I need to be. And I don't have to worry about the height either, because I can see where I'm placing them. And I just place them right here on this wall below the little window way here, and above the backsplash. That's the backsplash right there that you see with all the, looks like squares. And that's it for the wall receptacles. And next, what we'll do is consider where to put other receptacles, such as our range receptacles. Let's go back to level 1. And devices. And I already have one in here, right there. If you click on the folder, you'll have to click on the folder. If you do not have a range receptacle already loaded in your project, click on the Load Family folder and navigate to that through the electrical folder, and then just follow the folders on from there. So this is a single range outlet, and it will place, I gotta select it first, I guess. It'll place it on the wall, and it'll already place it. You don't have to worry about height. It'll already place it at the height that it should be, 9 3/4 of an inch off the floor, and that's not really written in stone. It doesn't have to be 9 3/4 inches. That's just where they put it. It needs to be within a foot though of the floor. So I'm going to place the range receptacle right there, because that's where I'm planning to put my range. Next, I want to go back to my GFCI, because I want to place some receptacles in my island here. Now I'll have to do this a special way. I can't do it just like this. As you see, they won't place. Okay, if you have an island, I'll show you how that's done. I'm not going to go over it in this video, but I do have to do a little custom work in Revit to get the receptacles to stay in this island. But I want to put at least 2 receptacles on the island, and there will also be one under this sink inside of the cabinet in the cabinet wall. And that would be for my garbage disposal and possibly my dishwasher if I choose to put my dishwasher here in the island. I may choose to put it over here somewhere, but I keep changing my mind on that. And I might put it over here. All right, so that's how you do your receptacles. It's that easy, not hard at all.